Most VPNs are fundamentally broken for how we use the internet today. They were designed for the simple browsing, not AI tools, streaming platforms, remote work, and multi-region apps running at the same time. They slow you down, they get blocked, they break apps the moment you switch regions. And as someone who reviews AI and modern tech for a living, I can tell you most VPNs haven't evolved at all. But recently I've been testing one that actually does things differently, not just another VPN clone. It's called SafeShell VPN. And today I'll show you why this one genuinely stands out. Also, thanks to SafeShell VPN for sponsoring this video. SafeShell VPN is designed for modern internet usage, streaming, apps, privacy, and speed across all platforms. We are talking about Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Apple TV, and Android TV, even Apple Vision Pro. And it's already heavily used in UK and US, which makes sense given how aggressive geo-blocking has become lately. And this is where SafeShell VPN immediately separates itself. Instead of routing your internet traffic through one VPN location, SafeShell uses something called multipath tunneling. In simple terms, you can assign different VPN locations to different apps at the same time on the same device. I think enough talk, let me just quickly show you how exactly it works. So to start using SafeShell VPN, just go to safeshellvpn.com or just click on the link in description, and here you can download SafeShell VPN for your desired platform. So I just downloaded it on Windows, and here you can see there are two modes. One is global mode, where you can just choose a location and then your VPN will switch to that location. But there is this interesting mode which is called app mode, and here if I just click on this add button, here you can find a huge list of applications that you can just choose, and then you can choose a location for that particular application. For example, for Netflix, if I want to browse Netflix through France, because there might be some content which is blocked in UK because I'm based in UK, so if I just want to browse Netflix through France, I can easily just choose this location. And similarly, I want Amazon Prime Video at the same time, simultaneously I want to browse it from maybe Argentina or maybe from Australia. So now both of these applications will connect from completely different locations. It's all happening simultaneously, no reconnecting, no breaking sessions, no performance drops. This is huge, especially if you're multitasking or you're working across different regions. SafeShell has 10,000 plus server nodes across 100 plus countries. And because of their infrastructure, speeds stay consistent even when switching regions. Streaming, downloading, browsing, everything feels like you are on a normal home connection, not on a VPN. This part is actually underrated because SafeShell routes traffic in a way that looks like normal residential internet activity. Why does that matter? Because most platforms actively block VPN traffic. But with SafeShell, streaming services don't freak out, apps don't lock you out, and websites don't throw captcha loops at you. It just works quietly in the background. On the security side, SafeShell uses AES-256 encryption, hidden IP protection, a secret zero logs policy. So whether you're browsing, streaming, or handling financial data, your traffic stays private and secure. Now this feature genuinely surprised me. This is subtitle translation. SafeShell is the first VPN to introduce live Netflix subtitle translation, supporting 30 plus languages. You watch content from anywhere but read subtitles in your language. This is perfect if you watch international content, you are learning a new language, or you just want better accessibility. And it works directly as an overlay, no hacks and no plugins. SafeShell also includes SafeNet, their built-in ad and tracker blocker. What's impressive is that it actually works on Twitch, Instagram, and other platforms where most VPNs and ad blockers fail. So with SafeNet, you get cleaner browser, fewer trackers, and less data leakage without installing any extra extensions. So who should actually use SafeShell? Honestly, streamers, travelers, remote workers, students, anyone juggling multiple apps across different regions. If you want a VPN that doesn't feel like a VPN, then this is it. I have tested a lot of VPNs and SafeShell feels like it was built for how people actually use the internet today, not how VPN worked 10 years ago. If you want speed, flexibility, privacy, and features you won't find anywhere else, check out SafeShell VPN. I have dropped the link in description. You can just try it yourself and let me know in the comment section what you think about SafeShell VPN. And I see you next video. Bye bye.